Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar into a very cool song from Yungblud. It's called Hello Heaven, Hello. And this is actually 3 songs in one, pretty much. It's over 9 minutes long, this one, and it actually changes throughout these 9 minutes into 3 different songs, so to speak, with one theme. Hello Heaven, Hello. Let's take a look at this sweet song, and we're gonna look at that with the capo set on the 1st fret. That is the absolute best scenario for us, and with that follows 10 chords, I believe. So 10 full chords. It's not much divided on 3 songs actually, so let's go over the chords needed for the song. I'm gonna start with D. So D goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, we have the next chord, which is the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next. That will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. And that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So far, we have the chords for the first song. Okay, the next part of this song, so to speak, will be to play the C and D again, but now with bar chords. So I'm not actually counting these as new chords, just grips. We're gonna use the power chord style of it. So I'm gonna have this for C. It's the 3rd fret A, 5th D, and 5th G. And you take the very same grip and move it 2 frets closer into your body like this, and you land on this position. That's the D part of it. It goes 5th on A, 7th on D, and 7th on G. Okay, so that is 2 variations of the C and D chord. Moving on with the next chord, which will be the A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We also have the A sharp, and I'm gonna go with the sus version here, and that's a bar chord still. So you have the index finger on the 1st fret, and you push down 5 strings. That's what you need with that finger. If you count from bottom up like this, 5 strings, and then you have to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G, and then you have the F chord as well. So it's another bar chord still on the 1st fret, and this time you need to push down all strings with your index finger. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And so far you have all the chords and tools to handle the next song as well. So both songs are covered with this chord so far. Then for the last 3rd part of this song, you have to learn the B minor. And that's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then you have the final chord, which is the E minor. And E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And there you have all the chords needed for this song. So 9, maybe 10 chords or so. Now let's go into the first part. And I just want to mention right now, this is a very new song. Just a couple hours ago, I heard this for the first time. And yeah, I'm not 100% secure when it comes to the tempo of the song, because it changes throughout the song. Very close, I believe, but yeah, don't have me for that. I'm gonna give you how to play this song. You're gonna have to find the correct tempo for it. So yeah, don't judge me too hard on this song now. Let's go into the first part. And this part is a 4-chord song, the D, the A minor, C, and G. We have just one strumming pattern we're gonna use, and that song lasts for 2 minutes and 59 seconds into this long 9 minutes song. All right, so what you're gonna do here is to play a strumming pattern that goes down, up, down, up. So you're gonna start with the D chord. So grab that first. You have down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so one string around this. What I like to do here is to get down on the second to last down in this down, up, on the high strings down here. It's hard to separate on this D chord because it's only covering 4 strings, but for G example, then you have to really try to separate this second and last down and really go down on the higher strings down there and play the rest in the mid bass area. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the chord progression, like I said, is D, then A minor, C, and G. You're going to play 4 string rounds per chord. That just rolls for the first almost 3 minutes, 2 and 59. It goes like this. That is one chord progression round. So D, A minor, C, G, 4 string rounds per chord, and there you have the first 3 minutes. Then we're gonna come into the next part. This is the part where you need to use the power chords I learned, I teach for you. I like this C to D. And what you're gonna do here is either go 1 down and just slide into the D part like this, or have 2 downs, 1 separately per chord. So like this. It's up to you. I'm a little bit more convenient with this slide. Okay, I like that slide, so that is what I'm gonna use. You're gonna do that for 3 rounds. So and big pauses in between. How long are the pauses? I'm gonna teach you soon. That's the 3rd round, and then you're gonna play the melody. Okay, so the melody goes on open A, 2nd A, 3rd A, back to 2nd A, 3rd E, open A, and 1st E. Okay, so you're gonna play 3 rounds first of the C to D with pauses in between. And the length of these pauses is, if you imagine you played this melody after each and every round. So in your head you can, and then you had the right timing there. All right, sorry, I slipped a little bit there, but anyway, you have the C to D, and in your head you can play that melody, and there you know how long the pause will be. So okay, so that is the length of the pause, around that mark. So you're gonna play 3 rounds of, and after you play 3 rounds, you're gonna play and continue with that. All right, so that is how you play the first verse in this second song, so to speak. Next part, the pre-chorus. A little freak, gonna walk. That's where we are in the lyrics. You're gonna play now a string pattern with 4 downs. So you're gonna play like this. That is 1 round. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3rd down, you're gonna play on the higher strings. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, 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 top, bass. That is 1 string around. Bass, bass, top, bass. So 4 downs, total 1 string around. You're gonna now play G, 2 string rounds, then A, 2, D, 2, and C, 2. Okay, that is the first half of it. And then you're gonna play G2 and then A2. And that is the pre-chorus, only for this 1 round. So it goes like this: G, A, D, C, G, and A. All right, so that's a pre-chorus. And now the chorus, you're gonna still use the same strumming pattern here of 4 downs, and you're gonna play A sharp 1, F1, C1, and G1. And that is 1 chord progression round. So again, so A sharp, F, C, G. All right, so there you have the chorus. So this song lasts till 6 minutes and 56 seconds. So you have now all the parts to handle the second part of the song. It's the verse play, pre-chorus, and chorus play. I can just mention we have a solo in this song as well. And at that solo part, it starts about 5 minutes and 12 seconds in. You're gonna play the verse play. So for 3 rounds, and then that melody parts. All right, so that's a solo part covered there. So we have the third and last part of the song. Now we're gonna go into a new strumming pattern. We're gonna learn it with the first chord, which is the G. So one string around goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Again, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so we're gonna play the chord progression that goes G, 1, B minor 1, then E minor 1, and then you have a split after you're gonna play down, down, up. So you're gonna play E minor 1, and then you're gonna still stay on E minor and play down, down, up, and then you're gonna go into D chord and play down, up, down, 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 up. So it's a little bit different there. So that is the first half of this chord progression. Then you're gonna continue with G1, B minor 1, and D 2 full rounds. That's the second half. So again, I'm gonna repeat. You're gonna play G1, B minor 1, then E minor 1 plus down, down, up, and then over to D and play down, up, down, 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 up. And then G1, B minor 1, and D2. I'm going to take down the tempo for you so you really can hear how I'm strumming this one. It's a little tricky around that E minor, D area there. So I'm going to take down the tempo. Let's follow. So that is the part 1 round. You're gonna play that till the very end of this song. And that, my friends, is how you handle Yungblud's all parts of Hello Heaven, Hello. Beautiful song, actually. And I love that rocky part coming in and then suddenly just changes into something else and then back again. So great song from Yungblud. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I work a lot for you guys, so I really appreciate if you can give me something back. If you like this tutorial, then give me a thumb up, and I hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.